This is a patient intake portal for a medical clinic. Patients fill out their paperwork online, staff review and approve it, doctors read what's been approved, and an administrator manages who gets access. 4 types of users, real permissions, real data, and it was built by describing it in plain English. The front end is Lovable. The database behind it is Knack. Let me show you how to connect the two because that's the part everyone asks about and it takes about 2 minutes. You need 2 accounts, a Knack account and a Lovable account. That's it, no API keys, nothing to copy and paste from a settings page. In Lovable, go to Connectors. Search for Custom MCP or scroll to the bottom and you'll see it. Give it a name. I'm calling mine Knack MCP server. Then paste in the Knack MCP server URL. That's in our knowledge base, link below. Watch for extra spaces at the front or back when you paste. Choose OAuth and then add and authorize. A window opens up asking you to sign into Knack. Use your normal Knack login. And if you haven't created an account, create a new one. And that's the connection. Lovable can now build in your Knack account. That's the whole connection. 5 steps, 1 per account, and you never touch it again. Now you just describe what you want. I told it I wanted a patient intake portal. Patients log in and fill out their paperwork, staff review it, and doctors read the approved ones. I didn't tell it how to set up a database or what to name anything. It built the tables, the user roles, the login, and the screens. Here's the part that matters. Everything you just saw is running on this. Patients, staff, doctors are user roles in Knack. The rules about who can see which records are set here, in the database, not in the app. So they hold no matter what the front end does. If you work in healthcare, that's the reason to build it this way. Everything here is sample data. Real patient information needs a Knack HIPAA plan first. Full walkthrough, including setup tips and troubleshooting, is in the knowledge base, link below. Happy knacking!